Ronald McDonald here! First of all, I just want to greet our celebrant a happy birthday! And for us to enjoy the party while being safe, I will share to you some safety reminders. Sanitize your hands every 30 minutes. We have available hand sanitizers there. Please do not remove your face mask, face shield, and avoid touching your face. And lastly, always observe physical distancing. I hope that everyone will enjoy the party while being safe. Because here in McDonald's, love namin kayo at gusto namin safe lagi kayo.
Ayan, at sabi nga po ni Kuya Ronald is to always sanitize your hands every 30 minutes. Kaya sa all our guests, sino mong may dalang alcohol or hand sanitizer? Pakitaas po, sino mong may dalang alcohol or hand sanitizer? Dahil ang unang tatlong mga kapagdala dito sa unahan ng alcohol or hand sanitizer, may prize agad dito sa unahan ng alcohol or hand sanitizer. Okay, what? Maraming salamat po. And now to all our guests, tatanungin ko po kayo, are you ready to meet our birthday celebrant? Isa lang na sagot. Si Kuya lang po ba inimbitahan dito? Okay, one more time. Are you ready to meet our birthday celebrant? Okay, kaya naman dito na po pagtatagalin pa. Let's all welcome the main highlight of this event, our birthday celebrant, Baby Dealer, together with Mommy Yayu and Daddy Archel. Can everybody see? First of all, good afternoon po, and thank you for choosing McDonald's Maple Grove to celebrate Baby Dealer's first birthday celebration. And Mommy and Daddy, kita naman po natin marami pong nagmamahal sa inyo, especially po sa ating birthday celebrant. So, any first message na lang po to all our guests na makikis-celebrate po sa atin.
Hello po. Thank you po sa pag-attend sa birthday ni Dilar.
Copy paste po yung kay Daddy. Okay, thank you so much po. And now, para mas mag-bless po ang ating celebration, may I call on Summer for our opening prayer. And so, our guests, please stand up. Summer.